Warm welcome to everyone. In this video, we'll discuss an answer key release date, your expected cutoff, and final result declaration timeline. So let's have a discussion. The SSC MTS exam was conducted from 30th September to 14 November. And we all know on 14 November in Pune Digital, all the 3 shifts of SSC MTS exams were cancelled, and these exams were rescheduled on 19th November. So hence it is very clear that your answer key will not release on 20th November. How is this possible? Once you give your exam on 19th November and you are expecting your answer key from the very next day, it will not work. And looking, you can say, based on previous SSC patterns like CGL, CHSL or GD, your answer key releases within a week once your exams completion. And we all know that on 19th November, your exams are reconducting. And this will pushes your answer key releasing date, like you can say your answer key release maybe on 25th November. So let's proceed towards the final result declaration timeline. Your result may come in the mid of January. Yes. So at last, not the least, it is a cordial request to each candidate, please provide us your data, that how many questions you have attempted in GK and English. It will help us. We can make a detailed video where we will come up with safer scores and accurate cutoff. So at last, not the least, please stay tuned with us for the further video where we will provide you further insights basis on your responses. Thank you.